Our mealy-mouthed Supreme Court has ruled that the Texas race-based gerrymandered map can proceed. Well, actually, what they did was they granted a stay on the three-judge federal district court's order that barred the use of the new map. The order is not a final decision. It does not definitively say whether or not the map is legal or unconstitutional. They said, we'll get back to you on that. Now, here's what's so cute about that ruling. They said they would temporarily allow the Texas racial gerrymander to take place so they could have more time to consider whether it's unconstitutional. Just so happens, temporarily means Texas can go forward during next year's midterms with their racially gerrymandered map. Then, if the Supremes say, yeah, after further study, we've decided it's unconstitutional, and they have to return it to their original form, then Texas says, oh, sorry, America. Are you kidding me? This is just legal mumbo-jumbo that allows a crooked Supreme Court to delay a ruling until their partisan goals have been achieved. In other words, the 6 conservative justices are casting their partisan votes to help Republicans, saying they're not sure whether this was unconstitutional gerrymandering based on race, when the whole goddamn world knows that's exactly what it was. And the Trump-soaked Attorney General Pam Bondi applauded the Supreme Court ruling while saying she was pursuing a lawsuit against California for doing the same thing, except it was approved by a vote of the people and was in direct response to the Texas gerrymandered plan. So what we're left with is a mess of an election engineered by Donald Trump and the Republicans, who know that the country has turned against them, and their only hope to continue the Trump reign of terror is to take the decision away from the people and put it in the hands of crooked politicians and a corrupt Supreme Court. Well, we can't let that happen. This is a good time to mention our 99-cent project. It's where we can make our collective voices heard in a meaningful way. We're donating every month to frontline efforts to fight for fair elections and against tyranny that has taken over our federal government. It's a way to fight against that and make sure that just as every vote counts, every dollar counts. They think that their greedy billionaires will win the day. Let's prove them wrong. I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my page and joining the 99-cent project. Let's do something to make America a democracy again. Onward.